Hi, everyone. Welcome to 25 Days of Essentialism. We are on day 20, and we're looking at chapter 19, which is titled Focus, What's Important Now? And, this chapter is all about focus and realizing in the present is where our focus needs to be. Yes, we need to learn from our past. We need to prepare for the future, but we create our past and our future in the present. And there's a great quote here on page 217, and here's what it says. It is mind-bending to consider that in practical terms, we only ever have now. We can't control the future in a literal sense, just now. Of course, we learn from the past and can imagine the future, yet only in the here and now can we actually execute on the things that really matter. It's 2023, and there is so much going on in the world. There's so many options and opportunities that we have that can be pulling our focus from 1,000 different directions. And what was great about this chapter, it just brings back this idea of focus. And the truth is, we talk about, I'm multitasking, right? And he says in here, but you can't multi-focus. You can only focus on one thing at a time. And as an essentialist, I need to consider where my focus really is. And he talked about something on page 222, is that maybe a way to help you have focus, to help us have focus when there's so many things going through our head, is to take the time to pause and capture all the things, write them down on a piece of paper, and then so we can evaluate where should really the focus be. And that's something that really kind of resonated with me, and maybe that resonated with you. And something else he said, what's important now? He said, after a moment of reflection, I realized that until I knew what was important right now, what was important right now was to figure out what was important right now. Have you been there? I've been there, where I ask myself, what should I focus on? And I don't actually know. So in that moment, the most important thing is to figure out where to put my focus. And that's where we can take a pause, capture some ideas, take a look at it and see, okay, where should my focus be? And then really put our energy into that. Okay, guys, this is Jeff with Pie of Genius. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.